What's up, guys? Fan man. Up and at 'em. Just woke up at the camp spot. This one, of course, I'm in an actual campground. It's great because everything is like, within inside this state park right here. The campground. I can get up, go down here, and do some fishing. I'm gonna attempt to do some fishing. Looking kind of overcast, look like it's about to rain, but I'm gonna go down here by the water because I just love being down here by the water anyway. Man, I just love it. Let me get up that down. Get that coat book up there. Some shadows. My dashboard's always full. But man, it's been beautiful. This has been a cool weekend. This has been a great weekend. I love it. The tranquility of it. I gotta turn this thing around where it's more straight. Every now and then you see something crossing the road down here. I haven't caught anything down here yet, but yes, I have. I caught a bluegill last weekend, right before I left. But I just threw it back because I didn't feel like the only thing is about here is, I'll show you. Here, oh, by the way, like, share, subscribe. Like, it's not necessarily a dock, that's a boat ramp down there. Right there. But it's no fishing. There's no fishing down there, so I don't know. I still want to go down there and throw me, because I know bluegill hang around stuff like that around the docks. There's another park in town, but I don't know. When I head back, I don't know if that is a state park. I talked to the it's windy out there too. I talked to the park ranger yesterday. I just went up to him and presented my license to him because I wanted to make sure that I didn't need any other licensure. I was straight. And he told me, yeah, you good, man. And turn this off. And so State Lakes, I got a 5-day, I guess the travel, whatever it is. But I'm out of towner. I guess that's their designation for out of towner. And I got a 5-day license. I think I'm good to. I'm good to Tuesday. So I'm gonna try to get it in. Hopefully I can catch me some. See, if I catch me some bluegill like now, if it wasn't windy as it is out there now. If I were to catch me a good mess of bluegill, see, then I could possibly do something for breakfast. Hook up some fresh fish, but towards the end of the day. So like, I'd have to catch make my catch like around 2 something if I'm gonna do it in the middle of the day, so I can have time to clean, descale them, clean them, gut them, and everything, and fillet them up, and where I can fry them at a decent time. But if I catch fish in the evening, man, I'm not trying to keep them overnight. I'm not trying to do all that work at the end of the day, because by the end of the day, I'm kind of tired. I got the whole day on me. So I like to, if I'm going to do anything with the fish, even if I don't cook them until the evening time, I want to catch them in the morning. Because with my lifestyle, I got a refrigerator, but it ain't all that big. I'm equipped to do all the cleaning and everything. It's just that at the end of the day, I'm not feeling like that. I'm not feeling like messing around with something like that. Like fresh, early in the morning, like now, I'm up, but it's windy out here. So that's that on that. But it is beautiful out here. Let's see. Lock them up. Help stop the zebra mussel. Forgive the wind, guys. See, normally I would like to fish dark areas like that. That's why there was bluegill, good size, hand size fish, hand size, pan size, areas like that. It's windy out here. Man, ain't it beautiful. I might go over there to the parking lot, make me some water, make me some coffee. Trash receptacle there. I'm chilling here for a second. Now I'm gonna ride around out to the parking lot, and I probably should have made my coffee up at the camp spot. Turn this air off. It's kind of windy out here. Somebody's down here already. It's been raining overnight, and man, I'm back at the camp spot. Man, it's been a heavenly night's sleep. I like this camp spot. I like this state park. And creative willing, if I get next weekend, I'll probably be back. There's another one on the highway, I might check it out. Because the guys told me about that was camping out here. They made this one sound like the second choice. There's another state park up the street, up the highway, probably another 20 miles. And I like this one because it's got a Walmart nearby and everything. Hopefully that other one will have the same. I'm thinking about trying it next weekend. Let's see a little more of the lake here. Well, guys, I'm gonna fix me some coffee. I'm gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you've enjoyed the scenery. And I believe I'll come back a little later with another video. Oh yeah. Catch me live tonight, 8 o'clock. Van Man is going live tonight, 8 o'clock, do my Sunday night deal. And it's been shaky the last. I think last Sunday I didn't do it because I was out here, and it's, man, internet is very spotty out here. That's why I want to do a live, but it's very spotty. It'll be buffering in and out. But yeah, check me out. 8 o'clock. The 8 o'clock live. Van Man's going live tonight, and yeah. For the creams. Beautiful. Anyway, that's all I got for this video, guys. And zoom back out. I will see you on the next one. All right. Van Man, that way.